Welcome to the Great Garden Channel, the gathering place for orchid lovers. Do you want your orchid leaves to be glossy green, the roots strong, and the flowers blooming brilliantly, without spending a single penny on expensive chemical fertilizers? The secret doesn't lie in costly fertilizers, but right around you, in the natural ingredients available in your kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to share a simple, safe, and effective organic formula that anyone can make. This is a method I've used for many years and have seen incredible results: strong and healthy orchid roots, shiny green leaves, long flower spikes, evenly growing buds, and bright, long-lasting blooms, sometimes even blooming continuously through multiple seasons. If you love orchids and want to take better care of them, subscribe to the channel right now and leave a comment saying, "I want to try," so I know you're ready to apply this secret. Let's get started. As one of the basic orchid care principles that I always follow, before fertilizing, you should lightly rinse your orchid pot with clean water. This isn't just a routine step. It's an important technique that helps wake up the roots and prepare them to absorb nutrients in the most effective way. When the growing medium is moistened with clean water, it helps evenly hydrate the substrate while washing away accumulated salts, dust, or impurities that may have built up around the roots over time. As a result, the environment around the roots becomes fresher and more breathable, allowing better respiration and nutrient exchange. When the organic fertilizer solution is applied afterward, the nutrients will be absorbed faster and distributed more evenly, helping the plant take in all the nourishment without suffering from fertilizer burn or root shock. After rinsing, let the plant rest for a while to stabilize its moisture level and begin the nutrient exchange process. During the resting period, we'll start preparing the organic fertilizer. The first ingredient I use is tomato. Tomatoes are rich in vitamins A and C, minerals, and natural enzymes that help strengthen the plant's resistance, stimulate root growth, and nourish the leaves to stay lush and glossy. I'll slice the tomatoes into small pieces. This step makes it easier to extract the natural nutrients, enzymes, and vitamins, while also increasing the surface area in contact with the solution. As a result, the plant can absorb nutrients more quickly, maximizing the effectiveness of feeding the roots, leaves, and young shoots. Next, I'll put them into a blender. Then, add 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature. Finally, blend the mixture thoroughly. Blending helps release the maximum amount of nutrients, vitamins, and natural enzymes from the tomatoes, while creating a smooth solution that's easy for the plant to absorb when watering or spraying. After blending, I strain out the pulp and keep only the pure tomato extract. This part is rich in vitamin C, potassium, and natural antioxidant compounds. Next, dilute the solution with 1 liter of clean water, and that's it. The mixture is now ready to be used as an organic fertilizer. Let's go ahead and apply it to your orchids. Method 1. Leaf wiping. First, pour the prepared solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cloth or cotton pad to gently soak up the solution and carefully wipe both sides of each orchid leaf. As you wipe, dust and residue on the leaf surface are removed, allowing the leaves to absorb light more efficiently for photosynthesis. This also helps prevent bacteria, mold, and pests from attacking the plant, keeping the leaves clean, glossy, and healthy. Moreover, tomatoes are rich in vitamins A and C, potassium, and natural enzymes that help strengthen the leaves' resistance and maintain proper moisture levels. In addition, remember to wipe both sides of the leaves evenly with the fresh tomato solution, allowing the nutrients to penetrate deeply into the leaf cells. This method should be applied 1 to 2 times per week to keep the leaves clean, ensure optimal nutrient absorption, and prevent rot or damage to the plant. Method 2. I'll now pour the tomato and banana peel solution into a watering can. Then, start watering around the base of the orchid. This watering method not only provides an abundant source of natural nutrients from tomato extract, but also adds vitamins A and C, potassium, and natural enzymes that stimulate root growth, enhance leaf gloss, and boost the plant's resistance. Therefore, you should apply this watering routine once a week at first, then reduce it to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain stable nutrition and support sustainable growth for your orchids. When watering, do it evenly and gently to avoid excess water accumulation. This helps the roots absorb nutrients effectively, keeps the growing medium well aerated, and minimizes the risk of fungal diseases. Method 3. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and mist it evenly over the entire plant, including the leaves, stems, roots, and leaf axils. Spraying the tomato solution helps nutrients spread evenly across all parts of the plant, providing vitamins A and C, potassium, and natural enzymes. It also forms a natural protective layer against bacteria, fungi, and pests. You should spray both the upper and lower sides of the leaves so that the nutrients can penetrate deeply and evenly, enhancing the plant's nourishment and protection. This method should be done once a week during the first month, then reduced to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. After each spraying session, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes to allow the roots and leaves to fully absorb the moisture and nutrients. If there's still water remaining on the leaves or in the leaf axils, use a soft cloth or clean cotton pad to gently wipe away all the tiny droplets. This step is very important because standing water creates an ideal environment for mold, bacteria, and pathogens to grow. By keeping the leaves dry, you actively prevent harmful agents, reducing the risk of leaf rot, crown rot, and other common orchid diseases. For the leftover solution, I'll pour it into an ice tray and place it in the freezer for longer preservation. Once the solution has frozen into ice cubes, many people tend to place the cubes directly at the base of the plant, but that's completely wrong. Instead, put the ice cubes into a cup like this and wait about 15 minutes for them to melt. After 15 minutes, when the water has returned to room temperature, we can pour the melted solution into each orchid pot. The natural nutrients, vitamins, and enzymes from the tomatoes will be easily absorbed by the plant, stimulating strong root growth, enhancing resistance, and nourishing the leaves to become thicker, glossier, and healthier, while also promoting steady development of new shoots and flowers. At the same time, you should place the pot in a spot with gentle light and good airflow, so the leaves can photosynthesize effectively, produce chlorophyll, and stay vibrant. Avoid placing the pot under harsh, direct sunlight, as it can cause the leaves to turn yellow and scorch at the tips. Results after 2 months. The orchid leaves have become deep green, glossy, and thick, with new leaves growing full of vitality. They photosynthesize efficiently, nourishing all the young shoots. The root system develops vigorously, producing many plump white roots that anchor firmly to the growing medium, enhancing water and nutrient absorption. The flower spikes and buds grow evenly and sturdily, ready to produce vibrant blooms. Numerous buds appear large, bright, and long, lasting blooming one after another, creating a pot full of life and radiant beauty for many weeks. This is the well-deserved reward for your patience and care. When properly nurtured, orchids will respond with abundant vitality and naturally brilliant blossoms. Enjoy every moment of caring for your orchids. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new orchid care tips. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next video on the Great Garden channel.